Hello, this is lecture 15, continued problems on continuity, Tungal School of Basic and Applied Sciences, Degree College, Jamkandi. I am Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. So let us see the problem 15 on continuity. If f of x is equal to 5x minus 4 if x less than or equal to 1, 4x square minus 3x if x greater than 1, then show that f of x is continuous at x is equal to 1. As the function is defined for x less than or equal to f of x is equal to 5x minus 4, whereas for x greater than 1, the function is to be defined as 4x square minus 3x, so that we can see the LHL and RHL to find the continuity. So solution: given f of x is equal to 5x minus 4 if x less than or equal to 1, 4x square minus 3x if x greater than 1. Next, f of 1 is equal to, put x is equal to 1. Where put x is equal to 1? So here for x is equal to 1 also the function is defined. It is 5x minus 4 is equal to 5 into 1 minus 4 is equal to 1. So f of 1 value is to be 1. Next, continuity of f of x at x is equal to 1. Right, LHL. F of x, that is limit f of x as x tends to 1 minus is equal to, so x less than 1 the function was defined 5x minus 4. It is limit x tends to 1 minus 5x minus 4 is equal to 5 into 1 minus 4 is equal to 1. So this is LHL. So even RHL, limit f of x as x tends to 1 plus is equal to, limit x tends to 1 plus, the function was defined for x greater than 1 is 4x square minus 3x is equal to 4 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 is equal to 1. So here is 1, here is also 1. LHL value and RHL value both are is equal to 1. That is LHL is equal to, RHL is equal to 1 is equal to f of 1. So that is limit f of x as x tends to 1 is equal to f of 1. This implies f of x is continuous, f of x continuous at x is equal to 1, because it is by definition as limit f of x as x tends to a is equal to suppose f of a, then we can say that f continuous at x is equal to a. This is all we have in the definition. So sixth problem. In first problem, if f of x is equal to x minus 2 if x less than 1, x plus 2 if x greater than or equal to 1, then prove that f of x is discontinuous. F of x is discontinuous at x is equal to 1. So second problem, discuss the continuity of f of x is equal to 2 divided by 5 minus x for x less than 3. Next, 5 minus x for x greater than or equal to 3 at x is equal to 3. Discuss the continuity of this function f of x defined like this at x is equal to 3. See that now. The solution for the first one. Given f of x is equal to x minus 2 if x less than 1, x plus 2 if x greater than or equal to 1, and at x is equal to 1, f of 1 is equal to x plus 2 is equal to right. So 1 plus 2 x plus is 1 substitution method is equal to 3. So f of 1 value is now to be 3. Next, continuity of f of x at x is equal to 1. At continuity of f of x at x is equal to 1. So that LHL now, limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to x minus 2. That is limit x tends to 1 minus the function defined as x minus 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So LHL value is minus 1. Next, RHL. Limit x tends to 1 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus the function was defined x plus 2 whenever x greater than or equal to 1, so that it is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. That is LHL is not equal to RHL. This implies LHL value is minus 1, RHL value is 3, so that both not equal, so that f of x is not continuous at x is equal to 1, because even though both are existing and must be is equal to f of 1, even if LHL value is equal to 1, suppose sometimes is equal to f of 1, left hand continuity is existing and right hand continuity does not existing, as it will be is equal to 3. So similarly, the second problem, given f of x is equal to 2 by 5 minus x, for x less than 3. Next is equal to 5 minus x for x greater than or equal to 3. Next, continuity is to be at x is equal to not continuous, at x is equal to 3 not continuous. Let us see that at x is equal to 3. So f of 3 is equal to, at x is equal to 3 they are asking that the function is continuous or not. F of 3 is equal to, function is 5 minus 3 is equal to 5 minus, it is 2. So f of 3 value is to be 2. So for this LHL, limit f of x as x tends to 3 minus is equal to, x tends to 3 minus means x less than 3. The function was defined 2 by 5 minus x is equal to 2 divided by 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So LHL value is 1. Next, RHL value, limit f of x as x tends to 3 plus is equal to, limit x tends to 3 plus. So for x greater than or equal to the 3, the function was defined 5 minus x. So that f of x is now 5 minus x is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So this is one LHL value, RHL value is to be 2. So that LHL is not equal to RHL. So that is LHL is not equal to RHL. This implies f of x is discontinuous at x is equal to 3. So in the sixth problem, the both 1 and 2 are discontinuous. So seventh problem, find the value of k if the function f of x is equal to 2 to the power of x plus 2 minus 16 divided by 4 power x minus 16 if x is not equal to 2, is equal to k if x is equal to 2, is continuous at x is equal to 2. So if the function is continuous at x is equal to 2, then what is the value of k? See that now. How to find out the value of k? Given f of x is equal to 2 to the power of x plus 2 minus 16 divided by 4 power x minus 16 if x is not equal to 2. Next, that f of x is equal to k if x is equal to 2. Given f of x is continuous at x is equal to 2. So whenever the given function is continuous at x is equal to 2, by the definition, limit f of x as x tends to 2 is equal to f of 2. Right. This implies limit x tends to 2. Right. Whenever x tends to 2, that means x is not equal to 2 exactly. So whenever x tends to 2, either from left side or maybe right side, the function was defined 2 to the power of x plus 2 minus 16 divided by 4 power x minus 16 is equal to, when x is equal to 2, the function was defined is equal to k. Right. So simplifying this limit value and find the value of k. Right. In the above step, substitute the x is equal to 2. It should be by substitution method 2 to the power of 2 plus 2 minus 16 divided by 4 square minus 16, so that its simplification is 0 by 0 form. Apply the L'Hospital rule. So this implies limit x tends to 2. So as in substitution method 0 by 0 form is there, by substitution 0 by 0 form. So that apply L'Hospital rule. So what is the L'Hospital rule? So differentiating the numerator separately and differentiating the denominator. So that 2 to the power of x plus 2 differentiation is 2 power x plus 2 into log 2. So minus 16 constant is 0 divided by 4 power x into log 4 is equal to the right side constant k itself. So differentiation, what is the differentiation of exponential function a power x is equal to a power x into log a. So here is a is 2 and x place is now x plus 2. So that the given function as usual 2 power x plus 2 as usual into log the base. So log the base is 2. So divide by the same process, because denominator is also a power x form. This implies next substitution method now. So 2 to the power of 2 plus 2, always in the limits we must have to do at the end the substitution method only. It is log 4 is now 2 log 2 is equal to k. This implies 16 divided by, it is 16 log 2 divided by 16 into 2 log 2. So 16 is to be cancelled, even log also to be cancelled, the right side is k, implies k is equal to 1 by 2. So k is equal to 1 by 2. Right. By applying the continuity definition, we can find the value of k. Next, 8th problem. Show that f of x is equal to mod x is continuous at x is equal to 0. Right. Solution. The modulus function is to be continuous at x is equal to 0. Let f of x is equal to mod x is equal to, how we define this is as x if x greater than 0, 0 if x is equal to 0, minus x if x less than 0. the modulus function is defined like this. So that what is f of 0 value now? F of 0 is equal to mod 0 is equal to 0 itself. Next, LHL, because the function is defined in three ways like this. LHL, limit x tends to f of x as x tends to 0 minus is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus. For x less than 0, the function is minus x. So substitution method, minus 0 is equal to 0. So LHL value is 0. Right, RHL. Limit f of x as x tends to 0 plus is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus. For x greater than 0, the modulus function is x itself. Substitution method is equal to 0. So this is 0. So both LHL is equal to RHL are equal, is equal to 0, is equal to f of 0. This implies limit f of x as x tends to 0 exists, and that will be is equal to f of 0. So that only f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. So modulus function is continuous at x is equal to 0. So even if sometimes the modulus functions are to be, next note. So note 1. F of x is equal to mod x is continuous for all x belongs to R. Not only at x is equal to 0, at every point on the real number line, that modulus function is continuous. Next, second one. F of x is equal to not only the modulus functions, even some trigonometric functions. F of x is equal to sin x, f of x is equal to cos x, are also continuous for all x belongs to R. So even these trigonometric functions, if you are to be continuous for all x belongs to R. Right, still a few more problems that we will discuss in the coming lectures. Thank you very much. So you have to see all these continued problems for 2 marks if the length of the problem is less. If the length of the problem is more, that may be for 5 marks that we will discuss in the coming lectures.